Hi everyone, this is HP Smart M140w, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up this multifunctional printer on your iPhone and how to use HP Smart application for printing and scanning on this printer. Let's get into it. Everything you need to do we will do on your smartphone, but first make sure your control panel looks exactly like mine. I mean, the Wi-Fi indicator is flashing, the power indicator is glowing solid, and the warning indicators over here are off. Next, you need to get the HP Smart application from App Store. I have it already installed, so get the app, open it. On the first screen, accept all the terms and conditions or decline optional data. Also, you can manage options, but let's just save time and set up our printer. Tap on this button, set up a new printer. Allow to find devices on local networks. This is necessary step. Tap on allow here, and you see two tiles over here. You need new printer. Tap on that. Wait for a while until you see the next screen. Now select Wi-Fi and make sure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, not to mobile data. Tap on continue. Continue one more time. You don't need to read anything on this screen. Just allow to find Bluetooth devices. And select your printer from this list. You can have a few printers here if you have few printers, so select M140 LaserJet. Allow to use location while using the application and wait for the network list to appear here. Now select your Wi-Fi network. This printer can connect to 2.4 GHz network, so the best practice is to temporarily switch to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network to connect your printer. After this, you can switch back to 5 GHz. So let's find 2.4 GHz band. Tap on that, connect to it. Now select your Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password. Once entered, hit continue and just wait for the further instructions. Now press and release the flashing Wi-Fi button on your printer. You already know where it is, so just do it. And that's it. Your printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Tap and continue to proceed to the next steps. You're going to see a few waiting screens on your way, so just be patient and wait. Next screen, accept all or decline optional data, which I prefer. HP Smart would like to send you notifications. This permission you can decline because you don't actually need notifications from this app. On this screen, select your country, tap continue. And now you're suggested to activate your Hewlett-Packard account, but let's skip this step so far. We are going to do it later. Unfortunately, this is necessary to use HP Smart application, but actually it's worth because application is really smart. It allows you to print and scan, it updates the firmware, it does everything. So enable auto update for the printer's firmware. So check the first option and tap on save. Let's skip printing the test page. We're going to print it later. And skip sending link. So you are suggested to send installation link to other devices and install HP Smart application on your computers, tablets, and other smartphones. But you can do it later. I recommend you to do this for all devices you wish to use with this printer. And for now, we're all set except one thing. As I told you before, to use this application, to use all this feature, print, documents, scan, camera scan, you have to log into your Hewlett-Packard account or create one if you don't have, because until you create your account, you can just only manage your printer. You can tap on its tile and go to settings, and if you tap on print documents, it takes you to login page. So I already have an HP account, so let me skip the step of account creation. It's pretty easy. Let me just sign into my account and show you how to use the app. So email, password. Now allow access to your photo library if you wish to print photos, but I don't think you wish to print black and white photos on this printer. So now you are in the printing menu, once again to the home screen and print documents. it takes you right here. As you can see, you can connect cloud services and print right from there. But for this example, let's just print from my file system. So tap on all files to open your file system. The same steps you can apply for Android devices, for computers, so application is pretty the same on any operating system. Now select a file you wish to print. Let's say this one. It's upside down, but never mind. Tap on print preview. Swipe up to adjust your settings. Make sure your printer is selected in this drop down. Set your paper size, how many copies do you wish to make, private pickup, which means the printer will start the task only when you are nearby with your smartphone to pick up the result privately. Also, you can set print quality from draft to best and set page range. Do you wish to print all the pages of this document or deselect some pages, or input the value manually? You can input range or comma separated values like this and print just only page 1 and page 3. Press back once you're done, and no more settings over here, so just tap on print and get a page from the printer's output tray. And in a pretty same way, you can print from any other application that allows you to print, that has a printing feature. Printing settings are about the same in all applications with minor differences, so you will easily find out how to print in other apps. Well, good job. Now let's move on. Let me also show you how to scan on this printer. You need to open the scanning unit lid and place your document facing down like this, and make sure that the top left corner of your document is aligned with the top left corner of the scanning surface. You have a paper sheet icon over here, so you need to align corners like this and fit the edges snugly to the borders of the scanning surface. Notice your paper size using these markers as a guidance, and close the scanning lid. Next, in HP Smart application, find printer scan tile, tap on that. Let's skip this tutorial. I'm going to show you everything in this video. So let's adjust the scan settings. Tap on this drop down first and set your page size. It's A4 in our case, or you can switch to entire scan area and adjust borders manually later. Let's set to A4. Set your quality, normal or best, and switch between color and grayscale modes. Once you're done, hit on done and tap on this gear icon as well. Enable auto enhancements of your brightness, contrast, colors, and so on. And you can enable auto orientation just in case you occasionally put the document upside down. So tap on done over here. Also, you can select what you're scanning, batch, document, or photo. And just tap on scan and let's wait for the result. Now you can adjust the edges of the document. You can tap on full to capture the entire scan area, or tap on auto. But if it works not so good as you expected, you can tap on full and drag the borders manually like this. Also, you can drag the corners. And one more option, you can just tap on next, ignore this screen, and crop your document to a standard size later. I will show you how to do this. To crop the document, you need to tap on these 3 dots. As you can see, you can replace and delete this page from the document, or tap on edit, and here you can crop. Pick a standard size, let's say A4, and save your changes. Also, you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturations, and so on. Apply filters, add text, mark up your document, enable auto enhancements. But once you're done, don't forget to save your changes. And let's add another page, and I will show you one more feature of HP Smart application. This is source selection. So you can tap on source and switch to files and photos and add files from your gallery, or switch to camera and add some camera scans. You need to allow access to the camera, so tap on allow. And now you have 2 options. The first one is take pictures manually, which takes you to detect edges menu, and you can adjust borders manually once again, or switch to auto mode at the top of the screen and scan documents automatically like this. So once you scan the first document, replace it right away and scan the next document. Just hold still, and in this way you can scan a pack of documents just in a minute. Once you're done camera scanning, tap on the thumbnail icon at the bottom right, and it takes you to the pages list. Now you can swipe left and right to switch between the pages. You have a new button here, reorder. You can tap on reorder and just drag and drop your pages to change their order. Tap down to save your changes. Tap on rotate to select pages and rotate them all together, or just some of them like this. Done to save. And once you've done the wall scanning, you can enable apply printing shortcuts. You can send mobile fax, you can print the document right away, or you can share or save this document. So for this example, we will use this feature. So first, rename your document if you need. Of course, just use your keyboard as always. Hit return to save the name. Select your file type. Select PDF for documents because PDF only supports multi-page format. Go back and set your file size. You can save without compression or apply some compression to reduce size, and hit continue. It takes you to the system dialog. Here you can select application for sharing as always, or save to files like this. So select the location for this file. Let it be in downloads. So far, just tap on save and your file is saved, and you can go to your file system, go to downloads, and here is your scan. Also, smartphone copy feature is available in this application. It works same as camera scan, with the difference that you can't save your scan result. You can just print it right away, and that's pretty it actually. Now the printer is set up, your smartphone is connected to the printer, and I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.